Hi everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Sean Paul has edged out Chris Brown, Travis Scott, Adele and Doja Cat in Spotify's monthly listeners rankings. The Grammy-winning singer breaks into the streaming platform's top 40 at number 34, racking up some 59 million streams. He comes ahead of Travis Scott at number 36, Chris Brown is 37, Adele 39, and Doja Cat at 40. Sean Paul shared the news on his Instagram story featuring his 2005 hit We Be Burning. The dancehall veteran dropped his latest release, Ready for the Ride, just 2 weeks ago, collaborating with dancehall brat Stock Ashley.
Ready for the ride, ready for the ride. Catch it. Ready for the ride, ready for the ride. Watch it. Hold on, girl, I want you hold on tight. Hold on, girl, we so take full flight.
Shaggy steps out of his comfort zone for Sting's The Last Ship. Now, speaking recently on American talk show Sherry, the international crossover star revealed that taking on this project pushed him outside of his comfort zone, creating space to grow and urging others to aim for the uncomfortable.
Every time you become uncomfortable, that's growth. You know, a hamster is a wheel in a wheel. It's comfortable being in the wheel, but the wheel goes nowhere. You know, so every time you should aim for the uncomfortable.
Ooh. Shaggy also explained that Sting, his longtime friend, lobbied for him to be part of the musical.
He was also betting on me because he convinced the whole company that I was the guy for it. And when we went there and started killing it, you know, he was like, well, I told you so, because he loved that part too.
The Grammy-winning artist also spoke about the success of the show on the road, including a sold-out staging in Amsterdam.
People were giving you standing ovations.
Yeah, we were getting all of that, man, and 5-star reviews. You know, we sold, we sold over 60,000 tickets in Paris, man, and sold out in Amsterdam too, so yeah.
According to the Metropolitan Opera, Sting's The Last Ship is based on his experience growing up in a shipbuilding community in an industrial northeast area of England. Now, on the international scene, Walker, Texas Ranger star and martial arts grandmaster Chuck Norris remembered as the greatest father by his son. In an Instagram post, Dakota Norris penned a heartfelt tribute following his father's passing, referring to him as the greatest father God could have given him and how he always made sure he knew how much he loved him. He also expressed his admiration for his father's character, saying his generosity, kindness, courage, integrity, strength, and discipline, as well as faith in the Lord, were just a handful of the things he always admired about him. Dakota closed the tribute by thanking his father for everything he gave to their family, for being a stand-up figure, and hoping to live a life that honors him and makes him proud. Chuck Norris died on Thursday at the age of 86 in what his family described as a sudden passing. The martial artist enjoyed a long career in film and television, followed by viral fame on the internet. His major breakthrough came in 1972 when he played an opponent to Bruce Lee in the movie The Way of the Dragon. In the 1990s, he moved to the small screen, starring in Walker, Texas Ranger.
That's where the Rangers gonna be.
That's it for the weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.